to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What's up going, guys? Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours. Today we're going to be taking a trip from the foot of Red Hills all the way up to the square. On this route we're going to see all the new apartments and new homes that are being built, as well as the famous lookout spot. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica. So now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So we're now heading up Red Hills. So as you go up Red Hills, you notice that there's a lot of new apartments and new homes that are being built. The lower part of this part, or this hill, is called Forest Hill, so we're in the Forest Hill region right now. So if you look to the right, you see a lot of new apartments that were just built, and there are some more that are being built on the left hand side here. So you see the construction of a set of new apartments, as well as this building here, this set of apartments that are not open as yet, hasn't been finished, but are being built. So if you notice, sorry for the shaky footage, but I was trying to get you to see the new apartments that are being built in the hills right there. Brand new set of apartments that are being built. There's a lot of development that is taking place on Red Hills, or the Red Hills area. So to the left, this is the left turn that will take you on to Queens Hill, and I did a tour of Queens Hill, so if you want to see that area, you can check in the video listing below. This left turn here, that will take you onto Belvedere Road, or Lower Belvedere, and as you can see in the hills to your left, you see a lot of new apartments that are being built. Red Hills is I do believe one of the fastest developing areas in Kingston right now, along with like New Kingston. You kind of have to be very careful when driving up Red Hills. The road is very windy as well as very narrow. So there's crazy taximen and buses that drive crazily up this road. So you have to be taking your time when driving up Red Hills. If you take the right turn right there, that will take you onto Lee's Flat. As you can see, a lot of big homes, expensive homes as well, with awesome views of Kingston. So there are certain parts of Red Hill that you get a wonderful view of Kingston. So coming up, if you take the right turn right here, that will take you onto East Kirkland Heights, and if we take the left right here, that will take us onto West Kirkland Heights, which is a popular community. Very nice homes with wonderful views. take the right turn right there, I do believe that will take you up to Stirling Castle. These are some new apartments that were built recently. The community of Pine Views is to the left right there that we just passed. And if we take the road to the left right there that goes down, that will take us into the community of Pleasant Valley. This is one of the water tanks that stores water to feed the communities up in this neighborhood. So we have now reached the famous lookout spot. So if we stop and take a look, which I've done, this is a view that you'll actually see if you stand at any of those little gazebos and look down into Kingston. A beautiful view. Many persons stop here at night just to see the Kingston city lights, as well as especially as New Year's Days to watch the fireworks. And this is the apartment complex that's being built right at Lookout Point, so you know that the residents here will have a wonderful view of Kingston. So we're now going to continue to make our way up Red Hills. And to our left is the community of Mosquito Valley. I have no idea why it's called that. I hope it's not because they have a lot of mosquitoes. And as we can see to the left right there, that's a new development that's taking place right here in Red Hills. This is the square area to the right. This is the Red Hills police station, and I do believe this road here can also brings you to Stirling Castle as well. So as we drive into their shopping plaza, this has brought us to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.